Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to schedule a meeting and display in To Do as well. From Lead page, click on Lead Name. Scroll down the Lead Detail page and click on New Meeting button. Create Meeting pop-up box appear. Fill the all meeting details properly. Check the Add to Do box option. Click on Send button. In this way, we schedule meetings successfully. We can see the Schedule Meeting info under Activities section. We can also delete or cancel the schedule meeting if we want. Now click on To Do button from top bar. We can see the Schedule Meeting info under Pending To Do tab. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.